Hello students, good morning. Welcome to your English class. We are learning pronouns, and in that we have already learned personal pronouns, demonstrative pronouns, distributive pronouns, interrogative pronouns and relative pronouns. Now today we will learn about possessive pronouns. Okay? What is possessive pronouns? A possessive pronoun describes a close possession to or an ownership of or relationship to a noun, which means a person or to a thing. So possessive pronouns do exactly what it seems like they should do. They are the pronouns that help us to show possession or ownership in a sentence. Possession or ownership means अधिकार, किसी चीज़ पे आपका या किसका अधिकार है, that is called ownership. And to show that ownership we use possessive pronouns. Okay, for examples, his, yours, hers, mine, ours, theirs, mine, etc. In Hindi, उसका, तुम्हारा, मेरा, हमारा, उनका, etc. Okay, so these are called possessive pronouns. Now it is used according to the person. As I already told you that there are three kinds of person in English grammar: first, second and third. As I told you, and I had given you example, as like if I am talking to you about someone, suppose Sadika, so that means I would be the first person, you would be the second, and Sadika would be the third person, or third person could be anyone. Okay, so we have to use possessive pronouns according to the person. The first person singular, which means I. Here possessive pronouns would be used as mine. Okay, and with the second person, always remember that second person is you. Okay, second person possessive pronouns would be yours, तुम, तुम्हारा. Okay, third person, which means ये कोई भी हो सकता है, it could be any male person or female person, or it could be anything also. So his, hers, its, these are possessive pronouns of third person. तो third person के लिए his, उसका या उसकी. अगर male person है, if it is their male person, we use his to show possessive pronoun, or if it is there a female person, we should use hers. And if it is a non-living thing, which means anything, then we have to use its to show the possessive pronouns. Okay, now comes to plural. In plural, which means singular, which means we are talking about only one person, and in plural, which means more than one person. You have to learn, you have to keep this thing in your mind, both the things about the singular person, first, second and third person, and also about the possessive pronouns. Okay, in plural, first person, which means we, hum. We is also first person and it is plural. Okay, एक से ज़्यादा, यानी कि हम के लिए हिंदी में हम क्या वर्ड यूज़ करते हैं? हमारा. ये हमारा देश है, दिस इज़ आवर कंट्री. सो इन द सेम मैनर in English, first person plural, we, with we used ours to show the possessive pronouns. Okay, in second person plural, which means you. अब प्लूरल में यू सेकेंड पर्सन सिर्फ यू ही होता है, चाहे वो सिंगल यू हो, विच मीन्स तुम, चाहे वो तुम एक हो या एक से ज़्यादा हो, दोनों ही कंडीशंस में योर्स ही इंग्लिश में बोला जाता है. ओके, समटाइम्स वी कैन से बोथ ऑफ योर्स like this, but yours will be used in both the condition, in singular second person and in plural second person, to show the possessive pronouns. Okay, now comes the third person. That means the third person, it could be more than one persons. So जैसे हिंदी में you would say उनका, जब बहुत ज़्यादा लोग होते हैं, थर्ड पर्सन में आप जब बोलते हो कि उनका घर है, ये उनकी किताब है, एंड सो ऑन, तो उनके के लिए possessive pronoun in English you would say theirs. Okay, because we are talking about the third person which is in plural number, so we have to use the theirs to show possessive pronouns. Okay, so learn it. With first person singular we use mine, second person singular we use yours, third person singular we use his, hers, its according to the subject. And then in plural, first person plural we use ours, second person plural we use always yours, and in third person plural we use theirs to show the possession or to show the ownership, or we use possessive pronouns as like that. Okay, now we will see some examples. The first one, this book is yours. Here yours is possessive pronoun because it shows the possession of the book. Who has the ownership of the book? ये book किसकी है? Whose book is this? तुम्हारी. तो क्योंकि तुम, you is second person, so we have to use the possessive pronouns of the second person, that is yours. Okay, so in this way yours here is the possessive pronouns. This book is yours. Second example, this laptop is mine. Here to show the ownership of the laptop belongs to me. ये मेरा है. So that the first person singular possessive pronoun would be mine. Okay, so this laptop is mine. Mine word here is the possessive pronoun. That car is hers. Hers, which means we are indicating towards a girl, towards a female person. ये कार उसकी है. That means to the person who I'm talking about, the person is the female person. Okay, that car is hers. Here the third singular person is a lady, or it could be any girl, so that's why hers here is the possessive pronouns. Okay, these houses are ours, not theirs. ये सारे घर हमारे हैं, उनके नहीं हैं, which means here we are showing the ownership of the houses which belong to us. We is the plural first person, and that's why we use ours as possessive pronouns. In the same manner, third person is plural in this sentence, and that's why we use theirs to show the possession, and theirs is the possessive pronoun here. Okay, he lost his book. He needs yours. Here yours is the possessive pronoun because it is showing the second person. Okay, and yours would remain the same in both the conditions, singular and plural. Okay, this computer is mine, not yours. Again, this computer is mine. It is showing the ownership of the computer. That computer belongs to me, and mine word here is used as possessive pronouns as well as yours. Okay, so I hope you have understood that what is possessive pronouns. Let's have a recap. That possessive pronouns show ownership. Okay, as like the words such as mine, his, yours, ours, they all are possessive pronouns because they show the ownership. Okay, for example, the yellow painted house is his. The phone is yours. So I hope you have understood and try to make sentences on possessive pronouns. I'll see you in next class. Thank you.